Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is Vicky and it's Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! In this unit that I'm wearing, this is Maryland by Bobbi Boss, and I will leave the card information right up here. Doing an Outre unit. It's a lace front and her name is Aiden and she's in the color 950 and she's a Swiss lace L party. And they always say that these units are heat safe. I wouldn't put heat on a synthetic unit that's curly, because I found that I cannot get the curl pattern back in there. I have to do the roller set with the boiling water. I will use heat on a straight unit, you know, my flat irons, just to smooth it out, but that's it. So that's the stock card, if you can see it a little better now. And she's a short, sassy unit. There's your parting, your L parting. Here's the lace. It has the two combs at the temple. And you can see the lace parting there. And it does have your comb in the back with your adjustable bands. So I will cut this lace and let's see how this unit looks. Now this is Miss Aiden straight out of the pack. I haven't combed her or anything. That is the way the part looks. And it's a little narrow, but it's not real tight. So you can pluck it if you want to, or just put some pressed powder in it, which that's what I'm going to do. It does fit ear to ear. And I did adjust the bands in the back. I just left them as they were, and it seems to be very roomy. So I think that if you need a larger size, you can wear this unit without any problem. Now I forgot to tell you that I got this from Loco Beauty, and it was $27.95. But I got it with 60% off, so that makes it around $10 maybe. Now what I found out, they have this code and it's thank you 60 from November, and it still works. I tried it last night and it still works, and they come out with all these other codes, but the thank you 60 code still works. So if you want to order from Loco Beauty and get 60% off, use that code until you can't use it no more, okay? Because that's what I'm gonna do. So I like these curls, but I want to brush them. Okay, y'all, I love this unit. I may have to go back and get some more colors. I love the fluffiness of it. I love the fullness of it. I love the curls. I love the length. I mean, I just love the way this falls. I just love it. I didn't even think I was gonna like it. I just thought, oh, another, you know, little short, sassy shoulder length unit, but it's just, I love the fullness of it. Let me show you how it looks all the way around. And for it to be so much hair, it has so much movement. I mean, I just love it. I mean, just looking at the stock card, I just did not think it would look like this. But, and for the price, and I can get it for 60% off, yeah, I'm thinking about getting some more colors. I don't know what other colors it comes in. Oh, here it is. DR30, DR425, DR2730. I may get the DR30 or the DR2730. I don't see the need of getting the DR425. It might be a little lighter than this. It may be a more burgundy color than what this is. But this is a pretty color. It's subtle, but it's dark. And oh yeah, I just love it. I'll have to keep this in my collection for sure. So let's do our sunglass test. Shades, whatever you want to call them. Do one that matches better. Hello, sunshine. You are the sunshine of my life. So you guys, let me know what you think of this Miss Aiden in the comments down below. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm going to be uploading a review every Wednesday. That's why I'm calling it Wonderful Week Wednesday. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.